Let's talk about how to complete this Desmos quiz review activity. You're going to be presented with some addition, subtraction, and multiplication problems involving polynomials, and then you're going to enter your answer in the answer box right here. You're probably going to want some scratch paper or a whiteboard for this activity so you have somewhere to actually do the problem. So I'm going to show you how to enter your answers here on this first one. So you'll have the first answer. So this is a subtraction problem. And remember with subtraction, we're going to use the keep, change, flip rule. So I'm going to keep the same polynomial or the first polynomial the same. I'm going to change the subtraction to addition. And I'm going to change all of the signs in the second polynomial. So this 6x squared will turn into a positive 6x squared. This 11x will turn into a negative 11x. And this 9 will turn into a negative 9. And then I'm going to underline all the like terms. So I'm going to have a 6x squared and a 6x squared. Remember, this turned positive. When I combine those, that gives me 12x squared. So I'm going to type 12x. Now, how do you get squared? Use your shift key and the 6 key. Notice the caret above the 6. Press shift and 6. I now have an exponent. I can put in 2. I'm going to over arrow. Now I'm going to add together negative 3x. Remember, this turned to a negative. So negative 3 plus negative 11 would give me negative 14x. And then I'm going to combine the 10 and this 9 turned into a negative. So a 10 and a negative 9 would give me a positive 1. So plus 1. And then I'm going to hit the submit button. And what should happen is I get a graph that lands right on top of the graph that's already here. So when I hit submit, you'll notice my graph landed right on top of those dashed lines. If I were for to some reason get the wrong answer, let's say I thought this was 13x plus 2, which would then be the incorrect answer. I hit submit. Notice my graphs do not line up with each other. So when you get the answer correct, the graphs will line up. When you get them incorrect, they will not line up. That's how you know if you're getting these correct or not. You should be able to go all the way to screen 8, which will be 7 problems. We just did the first one together. Hit the next button. Again, you'll add these together. Notice this one is addition, so don't use the keep, change, flip rule here. Just combine like terms, put in your answer. Then you have another addition problem, another subtraction problem, and then you have 3 multiplication problems. You probably want to use either the distributive property or the box method. So again, get out a sheet of scratch paper or grab a whiteboard so you have somewhere to do your work on these. This will give you a chance to practice the types of problems that will be on the quiz.